Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 on a Chromebook. While these devices are excellent for productivity and web browsing, running a full personal computer game like The Sims 4 requires a different approach. Since Chromebooks do not natively support Windows software, we will explore streaming options and other methods to bring your favorite simulation game to your device. It is important to understand the limitations before you begin. Cloud gaming is the most effective way to play The Sims 4 on a Chromebook. Services like NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream the full personal computer version of the game. You will need to own the game on a supported digital storefront, and a robust internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience. Aim for at least 15 megabits per second download speed to minimize lag and enjoy seamless gameplay from the cloud. While cloud gaming is ideal, other methods exist with significant limitations. You could enable Linux Beta on your Chromebook and try to run The Sims 4 using a compatibility layer like Wine. However, this often results in very low frame rates and an unsatisfactory experience. Remember, mobile versions of The Sims available on the Android Play Store are different games entirely. Remote desktop is another option if you have a powerful personal computer elsewhere. To get the best possible experience, especially with cloud gaming, optimize your setup. A strong and stable Wi-Fi connection is paramount. Consider using a 5 GHz network if available. Close any applications or browser tabs you are not actively using to free up resources. For precise control, a wired mouse and keyboard are highly recommended over Bluetooth peripherals. While not strictly necessary, a Chromebook with a more powerful processor and 8 GB of RAM will generally perform better.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.